Hello and welcome to Pod. Over the next few moments, I'm going to show you how Pod can supercharge your networking. This simple yet powerful app is easy to learn. First, let's tap Map on the bottom navigation. The first thing you'll notice is that the Pod map is full of people looking to network. Suppose I was going to a convention in Boise, Idaho, of all places, and let's say I wanted to meet with someone that was interested in business networking. I can tap the search bar up at the top and type the word business in. When I find a user that interests me, I simply tap their picture on the map. I can pull the card upward to see Corbin's full card. I can tap connections to see his connections. And I can actually tap the green connect button to connect with someone. I can also pull the card back down to return to Corbin's card. I can tap show more to see Corbin's tags. Remember, any tag highlighted in blue means we both share that interest. If I think someone else would be interested in Corbin, I can tap Share Pod Card and send that card to somebody, or they can scan it with their mobile phone. Let's take a look at our own profile by tapping Profile on the bottom navigation. On my own profile page, I'll want to tap Connections to see my own connections. Here I can see pending connections, like this one that just came in from Corbin of all people. If I swipe to the left, I'll accept the connection, and he'll be added to my connections. If I come down here and I swipe to the right, Corbin will be removed from my connections. Remember, you can also tap a connection to see their profile on the map, or tap the message button to be able to message them. Let's go ahead and pull this menu back down. If I want to edit my own profile, I simply tap Edit Profile. Here I can change my picture, I can change my position, I can change my company name, I can describe myself, my products, or my services, and most importantly, I can add interest tags. Be sure to add lots of interest tags. Remember, that's how we found Corbin. You'll also want to make sure to save your changes when you're done. Let's press the back button and go back to our profile. At the bottom, you'll see a nifty feature called See Who Viewed Your Profile. Tap View All to see everyone who's been taking a look at your profile. Let's go ahead and pull this menu back down. You can also share your own card by tapping the Share My Pod card. Now let's go over to the Posts area by tapping Posts on the bottom navigation. This is a spectacular way to share your products, your services, or yourself to the local community and to all of your connections. Simply tap the pencil button in the bottom right of the Posts area to create your own post. You can go ahead and type text. You can tap the paperclip or the camera icon to add pictures or take pictures. And your post will appear inside the post feed and receive dozens of views from people nearby and your connections. Last, let's take a look at the chat area by tapping Chat on the bottom navigation. On the chat area, you'll see all of your conversations with connections, with prospective connections. Let's go ahead and tap this first conversation with Olya. Here I can also share text, photos, and videos. And if I want to go to Olya's card at any time, I can simply tap the locator button at the top. On one final note, you'll want to tap Update on the location area at the top of every page at Pod. This allows you to have access to the local area and network with people that are outside of your connections.